Hi! This is the Ring Alarm Pro, home security that also protects your home's Wi-Fi because it has a secure Eero Wi-Fi 6 router built right inside. Let's get it out of the box and get it set up. Okay, let's get this box open. Inside, you will find a user guide, the base station with built-in Eero router, and then there's the keypad, power adapters for each of those, the range extender, the motion detector, and contact sensors for doors or windows. First, let's start with the Ring Alarm Pro base station. You're going to want to make sure it's near an outlet so you can plug it in. It can be wall-mounted or set on a table. Either way, you're going to want to make sure that it's near your modem so that you can connect it with an Ethernet cable and let the Eero base station inside be your new wireless router. Next, you'll download two apps, the Ring app, which will help you set up and control your alarm, and the Eero app, which will set it up as your router and help you manage your Wi-Fi network. Launch the Ring app and select Add New Device to add your base station. When you first set it up, it might do a small software update, but then it's good to go. The Ring app will now direct you to the Eero app, where you'll create an account to set up your Wi-Fi network. Be sure to set up your base station as a gateway and not a Wi-Fi extender. And if your home is bigger than 1,500 square feet, Wi-Fi extenders are definitely the way to go to improve your connectivity. Just tap here to add an Eero device, then choose a room to set it up in. And that's it. Now we have a secure network and a consistently strong signal across my home. Great, that's done. Now you can head back to the Ring app and finish the setup. This is where you can install all the additional components, like the keypad, which is wireless so I can place it on any surface around the house, the range extender, the motion sensor, and all the door and window sensors. For these guys, just pull the tab and then stick them in your desired location. Installation's that easy. And now I can control it all in the app. If you want to use Amazon Alexa with Ring Alarm Pro, you'll get all kinds of helpful features that you can control using voice commands, like arming or disarming your home. And if you have Amazon Echoes, they can be used as extra speakers or sirens for your system. Hey Alexa, arm Ring.
Ring is armed in home mode.
And there you have it. The Ring Alarm Pro is a two-in-one device that not only saves space, but it protects my home and my wireless network. I can sleep easy knowing that both are safe and sound, and thanks to the app, checking on things when I'm away from home is never more than a tap away.